Hi for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be installing this unit here from Kriyya hair, so I do want to say a huge shout out and thank you to them for sending over today's wiggy. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this unit installed and how we did these baby hairs, you know, getting this cute little fun style going here, make sure you continue to watch. And before we jump into it, subscribe if you are not already. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, and then follow me on my socials. They're on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. up today's video. If you all enjoyed it, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and leave me a comment as well and let me know how you feel about today's wig. And if you are interested in the unit, make sure you check out the description bar below. I will have a direct link there for you as well. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again to Kriyya Hair for sending over today's unit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.